never blinking. You were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go, winter or summer.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. I hope you're all doing amazing. Today what I have installed is a 20-inch 10x6 Maxipart glueless wig. The texture is silky. The light brown is the color that I have for my transparent Swiss lace. Also comes with a little drawstring at the back so you can pull it and you have it more secured. Okay, this is what she's giving fresh out of the box. We have the little drawstring feature and the C-curve ear tab, so that C-curve, C-shape, whatever you want to call it, it just fits nicely on the ear. Okay, I did go ahead and remove my lace, so we're just gonna put it on. Now a good glueless wig should fit snug, right? So that's what we want this wig to fit, because you don't want it to be too big. If it's too big, it's gonna slide off. It should feel snug. Now, should it feel uncomfortable? No, it should still feel comfortable while wearing it. Look at that lace, y'all. You guys can't even see it. Look. That is a good glueless fit. Oh yeah. We're gonna finish it off with some BioSilk oil because we need some BioSilk. I mean, a little tiny bit, not a lot. Just the smallest amount, just coating my hands, just so I can just kind of comb through it. You know, not too much. Less is more, okay friends? Less is more.
Be in love. Oh my God, if forever is not.
And there we have it.
Enough. Oh my God, what a time to be in love. Oh my, oh my, oh my God, never been this close to heaven.
Ooh, who is that girl? Okay, these wigs are absolutely gorgeous. These wigs are designed by celebrity hairstylists, so when you see them, they're basically the wigs that everybody wants. These are the styles that people want to wear, that the celebrities are wearing, and gluelessly, babes, like glueless, okay? You can message them, so don't worry about like if you have a small head, big head, will it fit you? Hit them up, check out their website. They have a bunch of different options. You can choose the lace color that you want. Ooh, so beautiful. Of course it gets a 10 out of 10 for me. It's flawless, beautiful. Like I just can't stop staring at myself. Like I'm looking at every angle, every mirror, everything, because I just want to stare at myself because it is that beautiful. And I love the fact that it's made so well. Gluelessly, she's not going anywhere. It is a fitted cap, meaning it fits flush to the head, okay? Don't need to secure this wig. This is one of those wigs where you actually don't need to secure it because it fits like it is secured all the way. The hairs look like it's growing out of your scalp. You can't see where the lace starts and where my hair or skin begins. It's that good. It looks like a frontal. That's why I'll always choose the Maxipart when it comes to RPG show wigs if I have the option to. Gorgeous. 10 out of 10 out of 10, baby. Go get you one. That is all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's review and found it helpful. Okay guys, bye.